Stock market investing has always been a game of risk and reward. Some people build empires while others lose their life savings in minutes. But now, a new force has entered the financial battlefield. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't panic. It doesn't even get tired. This new player is artificial intelligence, AI. And today, it's not just assisting investors. It's competing with them. The big question is, backhand index pointing right, will AI finally remove the guesswork from investing? Backhand index pointing right, or will it create a system too powerful for humans to control? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming stock market investing forever. By the end of this video, you'll discover how Wall Street hedge funds use AI to manage trillions of dollars, how everyday investors are using AI apps to compete with billionaires, what could happen if AI trading systems go wrong, and what the future of investing looks like by 2030. To make it simple, we'll explore real-life examples, stories, and even shocking case studies you've probably never heard of. So grab a coffee, because this isn't just another finance video. This is the story of how machines are taking over the world's most powerful market. Let's rewind for a moment. Decades ago, stock trading was all about human intuition. Investors studied company reports, analyzed charts, and made gut decisions. But humans are flawed. We get emotional, panic during crashes, and become greedy in bull markets. AI, however, doesn't care about fear or greed. It processes millions of data points every second, far beyond what any human brain can handle. For example, AI doesn't just check prices. It scans global news headlines, it monitors tweets from influential CEOs, it reads quarterly earnings reports instantly, and it even analyzes political speeches for hidden economic signals. Imagine competing with a machine that reads 10,000 news articles in the time it takes you to read one headline. That's the level of advantage we're talking about. AI in hedge funds and big finance. Let's talk about Wall Street first. The biggest financial institutions are already using AI to dominate the market. Take BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager. They control over $10 trillion in assets. And a huge part of that is managed by their AI platform called Aladdin. Aladdin analyzes risk across trillions of dollars in investments, monitoring stock markets, bonds, real estate, and even global economic shifts. It's like having the smartest financial brain on earth, working nonstop. During the 2008 financial crisis, AI systems detected unusual risk patterns faster than most humans could. And during the COVID crash in 2020, AI-powered funds adjusted their portfolios in seconds, while human investors froze in panic. Hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies and Two Sigma are also famous for their quant-driven AI models that consistently outperform traditional investors. In other words, AI isn't just a tool for hedge funds, it's their secret weapon. AI for everyday investors, but here's the exciting part, AI isn't just for billionaires anymore. Even everyday investors like you and me can use AI tools right now. Backhand index pointing right, robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront automatically build and rebalance portfolios. They use AI to lower fees, optimize returns, and reduce human error. Backhand index pointing right, AI trading bots. Tools like Trade Ideas and MetaStock scan thousands of stocks in real time. They send instant alerts when they detect opportunities, something no human could do as quickly. Backhand index pointing right, personalized finance apps. Some AI apps can literally design an investment plan tailored to you, based on your income, spending habits, and risk appetite. Think about it. What once required a team of financial advisors is now available as an app on your phone. This is democratizing finance, giving retail investors access to strategies once reserved for Wall Street insiders. The benefits and the dangers now, let's get real for a moment. AI has huge benefits, but it also comes with serious risks. White heavy checkmark benefits. Speed. AI reacts in milliseconds. Accuracy. It reduces emotional mistakes. Accessibility. Everyone can use it now. Crossmark risks. AI is only as good as its data. If the data is wrong, the decisions are wrong. AI systems can cause flash crashes, sudden, massive market drops triggered by algorithmic trading errors. And here's the scariest part. If too many people use the same AI strategies, markets could become predictable and vulnerable to manipulation. For example, in 2010, the U.S. stock market experienced the infamous flash crash. In just 36 minutes, the market lost nearly $1 trillion in value, largely due to algorithmic trading gone wild. Imagine if future AIs, even faster and more powerful, accidentally trigger something like this. The results could be catastrophic. So what's next? Experts predict that by 2030, over 70% of all stock trading will be AI-driven. And when quantum computing becomes mainstream, AI will be able to process global financial data in ways we can't even imagine. This could mean investing on autopilot, personalized AI advisors for every individual, and possibly zero human traders on Wall Street floors. But here's the dark side. If AI systems become too dominant, a single glitch or cyber attack could trigger global chaos. And let's not forget the ethical issues. If AI manipulates markets to benefit a few, who's responsible? The developers, the companies, or no one at all? The future is powerful, but it's also uncertain. So here's the truth. AI is no longer a futuristic idea. It's already reshaping how we invest, from Wall Street giants to ordinary people with a smartphone. The opportunities are massive, but the risks are just as real. Will AI make you a smarter, wealthier investor? Or will it create a financial system too complex for humans to control? One thing is clear. Backhand index pointing right, those who understand and adapt to AI will have the advantage. Backhand index pointing right, those who ignore it may be left behind. So what do you think? Is AI the future of investing or a ticking financial time bomb? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because in the world of finance and AI, knowledge is the real currency.